Good morning, guys. This is the second time I'm waking up. I've just been so tired today. Fell back asleep. The guys are just helping me deal with the government, try and see if if I can't get this money without having to do so much to get it. Especially considering that I'm gonna be out of the apartment pretty soon.
Oh my God! You gotta find them a hole.
Yeah, we're trying to see if we can make life a little easier when it comes to this welfare shit. I fell asleep a third time, but I fixed my monitor, guys. Let's go. Or the screen in my phone is always completely perfect now. Let's go. Me and Thomas just went and bought some new clothes for him and a towel so he could shower.
I think it's good for the pants.
It's nice. And yeah, we got a cheeseburger from McDonald's each as well. And what else? Oh yeah, I went shopping to get some sushi later on. It's gonna be nice. We're just chilling in here all day. Most of the start of the day, he was just working on the paperwork. I was sending it over to him from the government. He's trying to see if he can't help me out. Potentially not have to go do all this bullshit in order to get this money, but get it a little more easily. Let's see what happens. I'm skeptical when it comes to dealing with the government, but he seems pretty optimistic, so let's see. Late night sushi, guys. Check it out. And we got avocado as well. So an upgraded sushi compared to what I'm used to. Check it out. Dinner's ready. Let's go. Check it out. We got pizzas. Let's see. Pepperoni. This one, I think that's yours. Yeah, kidding. Oh. Hey, let's go. Meat sauce. Bolognese, whatever you want to call it. Or just relaxing. The guys went to Ulmsen really quickly. Long story, but they're coming back. And me, I just took a little bit of a nap. I haven't slept so much these past few days. But yeah, I'm just sitting here eating candy. We got a bunch of candy today. And we're just relaxing. It's nice. Just one of those days. Not really a lot happening. I started eating, socializing, and stuff you can't really show on camera. Well, see you guys later.